ChatGPT. The funniest thing is I can start an affiliate marketing business in under 5 minutes with ChatGPT. You don't believe me? Keep watching. I'm going to give you guys 2 of the easiest ways to start affiliate marketing with ChatGPT. The first way to start affiliate marketing is joining a program like Amazon Associates. Basically, Amazon Associates is a place where you can promote products from Amazon.com on sites or social medias by creating links. When a customer clicks the links and buys products from Amazon, you earn a commission. Here's an example of a YouTube channel that promotes Amazon products on their channel. This video is called Cool Tech Under $50, and this user will promote their affiliate links through their description. As you can see, these are Amazon affiliate links. Now, this YouTuber posted this video yesterday and had 150,000 views. How many people do you think went onto the link in the description and clicked the link and he earned a commission? Now, before you go out there and start creating your own videos and start promoting Amazon affiliate links, you need to promote products that's going to make you the most money. As you can see, Amazon Games is going to be the highest commission rate at 20%. The next one will be luxury beauty products at 10%, and it drops off to 5% with digital music, physical books. Jewelry is at 4%, luggage is at 4%, shoes are at 4%, and you can also promote toys, furniture, home improvement, headphones, and other musical products at 3%. Now that we know the product categories is going to give us the highest amount of commissions, let's talk about how we're going to use ChatGPT to make money on Amazon. I can simply go onto the search bar and type in what consumer electronic podcast products are sold on Amazon for over $100. Basically, ChatGPT is going to give me a list of products that are over $100. And as you can see, ChatGPT has given us a list of 5 products that we can promote using our affiliate links from Amazon. Keep in mind, guys, the higher the price of the product, the higher your commission is going to be. So I can ask ChatGPT to give me a list of products that are over $500. And boom, here's a list of products that are over $500 where I can earn an even higher commission through Amazon. There's one particular product that caught my attention, the Blue Yeti USB microphone. And as you can see on Amazon, this is currently the #1 best-selling microphone on Amazon. Once you sign up through the Amazon Associates program, you'll be able to get an affiliate link for this specific product. As you can see, it's very similar to the links that we've seen earlier in this video. Now that we got our list of products that we want to promote through our affiliate links, we need to figure out how we're going to make content so that we can send people to Amazon to buy through our affiliate links. Oh, hey, ChatGPT, write a YouTube script on the benefits of each product and why consumers should buy these podcast products that are sold on Amazon. Don't worry, ChatGPT, I'm cooking up some breakfast while you work on it, all right? As you can see, ChatGPT has written out a full YouTube script of each of the 5 products that we want to promote in our videos. So now that we got our YouTube script written out, we want to create our video. The best thing is that I don't have to order the product or show my face in these YouTube videos. I can go to a site like Pictory.com where it'll automatically create these videos for me. I can simply hit the proceed button. I can paste in the script, paste in the title of the video, and hit proceed. Then I'm going to simply want to select the template. I recommend just selecting the template that works best for you. In this case, I'm just going to use any type of template that works. And then I'm going to select my aspect ratio at 16.9 since that's how YouTube runs. And I'm going to let Pictory just do its thing. Again, this is an AI tool just like ChatGPT where it's going to create a whole video for me from scratch, which I don't literally have to do anything at all. And as you can see, Pictory.ai has added the videos, they've added the captions, they've added the images, they've added all the scenes, they trimmed up all the videos for us. They've even included what we're talking about in this video, which we're trying to sell products on Amazon. So a task that probably would have took me 2 to 3 hours to edit, to find the images, to find the videos, just to come up with the text on what to say in the video. Pictory.ai has done that in less than 10 seconds. And we're not done yet. We need to add a voiceover, which Pictory.ai does provide us with options on who we can use for our voiceover. You can use a female, you can use a male. Just choose the one that best fits your video. And we can also add a background music, and we can choose a selection from 1,500 tracks available on Pictory.ai. This is amazing, guys. Now, the only thing when it comes to editing in Pictory.ai, you do need to include the images of your 5 products that you received from ChatGPT. Once you include those images and you edit and trim your video that fits for each of those products, then you're good to go. Once you're finished editing your video, you can then upload it to YouTube and input your affiliate links into the link in the description and start getting paid through your affiliate links. Now let's talk about the second way how you can use ChatGPT to start an affiliate marketing business. I recommend using an affiliate marketplace called ClickBank where you can earn commissions every single day. As you can see on this list, the affiliate commissions increases over time and gets higher and higher. Basically, ClickBank is both a marketplace of affiliates and e-commerce platforms of digital content creators. And basically, you can promote products. They will manage the sale, checkout process. You don't have to touch any of the products. and you earn a commission when they buy. When you sign up to the ClickBank affiliate marketplace, you can get into and select a niche that you want to promote. There's a whole bunch of niches that ClickBank offers on their marketplace. For this example, I'm going to be using health and fitness. If you want to promote the best products, you're going to want to select gravity at high to low. ClickBank is going to showcase all the products that the highest paid affiliates are getting a commission for. As you can see, Alpiline is the #1 product on ClickBank. So for every sale that you make with this product, you'll earn $142. That's a pretty good commission. If I select this first search result, it's going to take me to a specific landing page. As you can see, this is a landing page that they built. Once they select the link, it's going to take you to the affiliate offer that they created from ClickBank. So for every single time someone clicks on this website and goes through his affiliate link and orders a product, they get an affiliate commission of $142. If you're like me, you're probably a lazy affiliate. So I'm going to show you the easiest way how you can promote your affiliate links through TikTok. So for this example, you can come up with weight loss recipes and start creating videos regarding the best recipes for weight loss. As you can see, these videos get about 2.4 million views, 800,000 views, 180,000 views, 1.9 million views. These are videos that are going viral. Now you might be wondering, how are we going to create these videos? Well, once again, ChatGPT is our best friend for this type of method. I'm going to ask ChatGPT to give me a TikTok breakfast recipe for weight loss. So ChatGPT has given us 3 breakfast ideas of recipes that we can include in our TikTok videos. Well, I can ask ChatGPT to write a script regarding the recipes. And as you can see, TikTok has already given us an intro, and then they've given us recipe 1. And they're going to list out each recipe until we get to the conclusion of this video. And once again, guys, these type of videos go viral on TikTok every single day. TikTok nowadays is one of the best search engine platforms out there. As you can see, if I type in weight, there's a whole bunch of queries that pop up. And basically, these are things that people are searching for. If I type in top recipes, there's a whole bunch of other queries that's going to pop up, and I can rank for these type of videos, especially if I'm going to create these type of videos for my affiliate product. Once again, I can go to Pictory.ai, paste in the script, and I can come up with our top recipe, select a template, and instead of going with the 16:9, I can go with the 9:16, which is the TikTok ratio. So while Pictory.ai is creating our video, let me show you guys how we're going to promote our affiliate link through our website. Again, we're not going to build specifically a website, but we're going to build a squeeze page so that once people click our link, then they can click our affiliate link. This is the safest way to promote affiliate links through TikTok. With Linktree, you can basically create and customize your link bio in minutes. You can connect your social medias, your websites, your stores. Basically, you will input your affiliate link through these links. And once someone clicks the link from your TikTok video, they'll be able to go through your affiliate link. Once they purchase that product, then you earn your commission. This is the safest way to promote your affiliate link on TikTok. Since you don't have to focus on a website or having the best conversions for your website, you can focus on generating traffic through TikTok and increasing your amount of volume of videos that you produce. And remember, guys, the more content that you produce, the more people that's going to click through your affiliate links. Let me know which of these methods you're going to be focusing on in 2023. I'd like to hear your thoughts in the comments down below. If you did enjoy this video, make sure you like this video. If you want more videos like this, make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.